This 2024 Coachmen Brookstone 374RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, skylight, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Brookstone 374RK is 13,020 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.